Hello everyone, in this video we will show you how to improve your PowerPoint slide design. So in the same slide we will make a copy, but we will improve the slide. First take a new PowerPoint slide and copy the image into the slide and fill the slide with the image and make it fulfill the slide. Okay, then go to insert and take a shape and fill half of the slide. The shape outline, no outline, and shape fill into white color, and go to insert and bring a text box. Then write the name and change the font size and font design. Change the alignment just to make the design. Then select the shape and the font and go to shape format and merge and combine all the three shapes. Go to the first slide and bring the text. Select all and make a group, and then go to the animation and change one animation. In this case we select fly in and from the left. So this is your final design. So I hope you like this video. So see you in the next video. Thank you everyone.